Share the light to P. Diddy, Stefano Stevens. Me come for you tonight, P. Diddy. P. Diddy. P. Diddy. Yes. P. Diddy. Uno call P. Diddy Stevens. See me there. Shall prosper. Andre Stefano Stevens, aka P. Diddy. Andre Stefano Stevens, with a room full of baby oil. P. Diddy upon them. P. Diddy Stevens, daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you, I swear. Don't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. P. Diddy! Guys, good night. I say 169 I uno over here. I'm gonna tap up the screen and get me to 10K. And in the meanwhile, share the live to the baby oil boss. P. Diddy, aka Andre Stefano Stevens. Andre Stefano Stevens, come here. Come here, Stefano. Come here. Come here, Stefano Stevens. Jesus. Jesus. Nardo, me see you in a sense. And so you never called to me, Nardo? If you just see me in a sense and you never call to me. Good night, labor rights. Good night, comrades. Good night, independence. Good night, Prime Minister. I love you. And a special good night to Andre Stefano Stevens, aka P. Diddy. Good night, Michelle. Me make sure to take off the wig tonight, Stefano. Me make sure to take off the wig and wash my hair for you tonight. Because I know you like me that hairstyle. Like you give me a nice name. You give me a nice name that hairstyle. I dread that's how I love it. So I make sure to take off the wig since night and wash my hair when me a shower and come out and I mean true, authentic, natural self for you, Stefano. Because I know you love me when I look like this. I know you love when I look like this, Stefano. So, guys, I wish I could have found this sound that CNN play when them are breaking news. The sound that CNN play. What CNN? I even if me could I even get the sound where Cliff used play when them are breaking news. Much could I get the sound there. Good night, Gervan. I wish I could have I did have the sound that CNN play or BBC play when them are breaking news. You know? Come here, breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. I wish me to have that sound there. Where CNN play. You want to share the light to Stefano yet? Tap up the screen now, guys. Oh, me there 10K. You not ready for me there? No, sorry, guys. Me never see. Me never see at all. Me never see. You not there 10K. Can we have breaking news tonight, guys? Breaking news. Breaking news from the desk of Partner Draw TV, aka Andre Stefano Stevens, aka P. Diddy, aka Partner Draw Boss. Breaking news. Don't share the live to him there. Tell him to dread that's a calling. Can we make sure to take off the wig tonight? Make sure to take off the wig. Breaking news. has come to my attention tonight that Andre Stefano Stevens, aka Partner Draw TV, aka P. Diddy, aka Baby Oil, say he go sue me, MunchieB, for defamation of character. Now, Andre Stefano Stevens, I hope you're over here and I hear me so nobody know have to tape me and tell you. A long time I want you to bring a lawsuit past somebody. Because, yes, boss lady, I go sue me, that's great. You remember your utterance 2 years ago. We have everything pan tape, you know. Remember your utterance 2 years ago when you said nobody can sue you because you have your Bellevue ticket and you go plead insanity? Do you remember those words? Me have them pan tape too. So if you're not bad mad again, if you're not insane again and you can't stand up in the court of law, you have sense now, and all your faculties are work now, bring it on. You hear me, Stefano? Remember you, Stefano Stevens said, nobody waste them time and sue you because you have your Bellevue card and you go plead insanity because you're a madman. So you're not mad again. You have your sense them. Your sense of work now. You're not insane again. You're in your right frame of mind. Okay, so hear me now. You have tape. We have tape. You have lawyer, we have lawyer. You have money, we have money. Bring your evidence when you are come. You remember what you said about Warmington? Make sure you have the video evidence, or the picture evidence, or the text evidence of him touching you. You remember what you said about Rhoda? When she abort belly, make sure you have the picture evidence, the video evidence, the doctor receipt of your signature upon it of she aborting that belly. You remember all of the things them where you say about people, Stefano Stevens, and you say, oh, me mad, Lord, me mad, you can't sue me. Me have me Bellevue card. All me I go do a plea insanity because they know me a madman. You're not mad again. You're not mad again. Oh, Stefano Stevens. You're in your right frame of mind now. In Daddy don't touch me there. Daddy don't touch me there. Andre, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you, I swear. Andre, don't touch me there. P. Diddy, don't touch. Don't you trouble Zion. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. You a foul person. You a foul person, Stefano Stevens. I talk about lawsuit. You a foul person. You a foul person. Where every single day you sit up on your platform and tell lie on people with no evidence. You think you alone have tape? You think you alone have recordings? Bring it on, Andre Stefano Stevens. Bring it on. Because remember, you said that you were a madman. That's what you said. You remember you say you're a madman and you have your Bellevue ticket and nobody can waste time and sue you because all you have to do a plea insanity and go down and Bellevue go sit down and wrap your head. So if you're not bother with that route there again, no problem. Me over here wait pan you, Stefano Stevens. Me over here wait pan you because me still go ask you the question. How comes you never gonna with your birthday month Sunday? How comes you never gonna with your birthday the amount of money where you make past that bun, you know? You know where bun you, Stefano Stevens? Actually me call out you. I told me ask you the very, very pertinent question. Why you never gonna with your birthday? Or you eat up in the room like a blue barrel in a corner. It burn you. And because me tell you say you have the little boy them round you. Touch, purple touch, purple touch, purple touch, purple touch. Burn you. Well, you know your people them over here enough a tape me can miss it 310 over here. So me know say enough of Stefano Stevens fans over here. So I want to tell you Stefano Stevens fans say, me MunchieB say, me not afraid of no boy, no girl, no we, no how. And same like how you can sue, me can sue too. May the best man win. You Stefano Stevens, you never know say your time a go come, eh? When you sit down on social media every night and I tear people apart and I tell lie on people, eh? I tell lie on people and I make up story for views, eh? And I go on with yourself. You never know say somebody could have your file. You never know somebody would have your file, Mr. McGregor Gully. You never know somebody would have your file, Mr. McGregor Gully. You never know him P. Diddy. Baby oil. Baby oil. Baby oil. St. Catherine High School mattress. P. Diddy. You never know. You could have ball blood. No amount of cowballing can stop me from calling him Stefano Stevens. No amount of cowballing. No amount of shouting over YouTube. No amount of weeping and wailing and gnashing of teeth cannot stop me from calling your name. And go, oh, I look out for the young people of this country. Which young people you look out for them? Where you look out for them? Where you look out for them in your bedroom? Where you look out for the young people them in this country, Stefano? Where is the evidence of that? Where is the evidence of you looking out for any young people in this country, Stefano Stevens? You only look out for yourself. You only look out for yourself. You don't look out for no young people. You look out for the young boys them. You look out for the young boys them when them are past to call them in. And that you look out for. That is the only look you look out. You look out, you prep your little window in your canoe where you live in and look out when the young boys them are pass. That is the only look you look out. You don't look out for no young people in this country. You look out for yourself and your pocket and what you can get when you ride upon the Prime Minister and Juliet Holness coattail. That is what you do. But I look out and you nearly bust a blood vessel since night. You nearly bust a blood vessel since night. You never know me ever come out for you tonight again. You never know me ever come out for you tonight. You never know me ever come out for you too. And you're lucky say me throat hurt me can mother shout and a ball out like you too. Because if you can't ball out, me can't ball out. If you can't shout, me can't shout. So because me throat not so strong tonight, let me not ball out pan you. You think you can threaten me, Stefano Stevens? You think you can take me off a TikTok, Stefano Stevens? Yes, Queen, me here saying, say, I'm going to sue me, and I tell him, say, welcome. I heard that somebody called me today and said, MunchieB, B Diddy over in platform, a ball like a baby, like when you beat baby 54 last go. Say, I'm going to sue you because you say, in touch boys. Why? I lick you. I lick you. Daddy don't touch me there. Andre don't touch me there. Stefano don't touch me there. P. Diddy don't touch me there. Anyway, comrades, me no wanna come over here for hear the little episode with me and Stefano. But since you no come over here and hear the little drama, you can tap up the screen. Good night, Chopper John. Good night, my big, nice, clean boss, Chopper John. Stefano Stevens. Andre Stefano. reject because him me come for tonight and him people them over here. 400 of them over here, I'll get the message for him. They don't come about nothing else. So me have to give them a nice, clear message. Nice, clear message. If you care back to Stefano. I know you over here too, you know, because I know I come over here to listen. Guys, tap up the screen and get me to 50K. Now, this morning and nationwide, me ear said George Davis fixed date and kids meal combo properly. And fix the one Justice Seymour Panton properly. And fix the one Mr. Boomman, when name, Trevor Monroe properly. And me have the tape, me have the tape, but I don't have it. But Petal, you have to come up, come play the tape. Come up, Petal. Andre, set a rat trap. Andre, set a rat trap. Your rat trap catch you. Your rat trap catch you, P. Diddy. You never did know, so we had your file. You never did know when you over St. Catherine High School, I drop your brief every minute and I heist up your bottom every minute in every corner, every creases in every classroom. You never know, so we don't have your file. In Stefano, you never know when you over St. Catherine High School, I drop up your bottom and I cock up your rear all over. You never know we have your ticket to your dream. In Big Fish, swim around. Brad Morrison, you never did know. You and somebody inbox me last night. I said, MunchieB, me hear you a cuss Andre say, oh, no, gonna beach in birthday. Andre can't go beach. So Andre Stefano Stevens, I want to apologize to you for telling you or for accusing you of not going to the beach for your birthday. I want to apologize to you wholeheartedly. Because it never dawned on me say you can't go beach. You can't go beach, Stefano Stevens, because you're that drowned, because you know say water come up through your rear deep like a Jacob well. You can't go beach. You're done out. You bust up. You rev out. You're coming at the old ladder van them from in the 1930s. You favor the old JLP. You favor like the Jeep where Porsche they have in 2012. You're done out. Andre said he's only doing 2 more years of batty. I don't know if Andre Stevens have 2 more years of batty business in him. Because remember, I start early from about 10 from him that showed me the McGregor Gully, you know. Remember for Andre about 10 he start touch. So me don't know if him have no more 2 years left in him. You rev out. But oh, you're gonna make an example. Make an example of your mama with you in the McGregor Gully. Make an example of your mama with you in a shoemaker Greg Gully. And that you figure do. You can't make no example of me. Make an example of yourself. Make an example of your unwanted self, your unscrupulous fly. Make an example of yourself. You is a nobody. You know come from no good cloth. You know come out from no good table. You is a nobody at all, Andre Stefano Stevens. Who is you to make an example of me? Go make an example of your parents when they never love you. Gonna make an example of your mama with you in a shoemaker gully. Go make an example of your pastor and your elder and your bishop will lean you up in a vestry and bring you out like suck out bag juice. And that you figure do. You can't make no example of me. Go make an example of your parents. Your tongue then black like when people are born coal. You can't make no example. Make an example of yourself on a piece of bed the way you sleep on. Make an example of yourself on a foam mildew sponge where you sleep on at night time. Make an example of yourself with a little side table where you can't even hold one lamp on. You can't make no example of me. Who is you? Who is you? In Mama Lashy, in long tongue, in Big Fish, in swim around. You can't make no example of me. You can't come on social media and cuss me and expect me to just, oh, okay, you touched the wrong woman. You touch the wrong woman, Stefano Stevens. P. Diddy Stevens, you touch the wrong one. We are going sue me with. You're going to go sue the piece of the couple here up your head top of that. If you're going to go sue. And that you need to go sue. Go and go sue the piece of old curtain for your window. And that you need to go sue. Go and go sue the man them when yam you out. Go and go sue the boy from England will take all of your money because you promise him, say, you and him to go meet up if you have sex, and when you find out say you have AIDS, you know better one. As a matter of fact, you give him it too. Go and go sue him. Go and go sue him. You can't go, you know sue go? Eh? You could have sue me, you could have marry me, you could have palm me, you could have Angela me. Anything you want to do, you not stop me. And if you sue me, and say, for example, God forbid that you win. Next morning, me I wake up and call your name again. No, Bridget, me not allow that 410 of them over here. Me have a big platform tonight. Me I wax very, 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 very warm tonight. Yeah? You could have sued me some more. You could have sued me some more, Stefano Stevens. It still can't change the fact that you are P. Diddy Stevens. You could have ball out for your platform. You could have weeping and wailing and gnashing up teeth over there. I am going to call your name. You love call people name. You love call people name. Every single night you sit on your platform, and if you don't call Andrew Holness name, you don't get no super chat, you don't get no likes. If you don't call Juliet Holness name, you don't get no super chat, you don't get no likes. But you don't want nobody to call your name. Who is you? Who is you? What you mean you don't want nobody call your name? Me have to call your name, Stefano. Me have to call your name. And the person them where I say, me will stop and they don't want to hear me, me never did send call no over. You don't make me have to put you out. When me done, when me tired for talk, me done. So if you don't want to hear that segment here, you know, go on and come back when me go to the new segment. If you don't want to hear that segment of me cussing Stefano Stevens, go on and me will call you when me done. Yes, Selena too disrespectful. He wants to stay upon him platform and call up everybody name and tell lie upon people. And when time film time come, you a ball for Cree. Eh? You love Gia, you can't take too much. You are the main one. Your MO is calling up people name. So when people are call up your name, you have a problem. Eh? In Shoemaker Gully, in P. Diddy. Oh, when people are call up your name, you have a big problem, Shoemaker Gully. Good night, Laura Dean. You're not supposed to ball you're not supposed to call for foul. Because you is the most, you are the lies. You are the wickedest. You are the lies, wickedest person on YouTube. You are the wickedest man on YouTube. Your K I say you're never important. K me know say me not important because true me are no big fish. And true me not sleep with no little boys. Me not important. Me know say your shoemaker boss more important than me. I know that. You don't have to come over here and tell me K. Me know me not important like shoemaker boss. Me know me not popular like shoemaker boss. Because me not touch no boys and no little girls. Me not touch no boys and no little girls. I mean not only for baby oil for lubricate nobody. So me not important like Schumacher Gully. Me know okay. So you know you have to, me know no Andre Stevens supporter come over here. If you can't try troll me. But you come to the wrong girl. You come to the wrong girl. Coming back broad like for Rosalie. My back broad like for Rosalie. So anything you no give me can go no back. Anything you no give me can go no back. Tell Mr. Schumacher Gully say, as long as he no bother mad again, as long as he not bother using Bellevue card again, as long as he not plead insanity again, as long as he in a right frame of mind and he can go before the judge, I will see him there. No, we respect all. Good night, get it right. Tap up the screen where this your labor right over your chat board now. Okay, the labor right yellow over your chat say. Uno boss over YouTube, uno partner draw boss. The man wanna worship to the ground when walk pan. P. Diddy, baby oil.